preparing for embroidery. Use the embroidery foot or the position marker, the blue tip needle and the straight stitch needle plate. The positioning marker installed on the PM embroidery foot allows you to highlight the point where the needle drops. Raise the needle by pressing the needle up-down button. Press the lockout key. Loosen the needle clamp screw with a screwdriver and remove the needle. Raise the foot with the foot lifter. Loosen the thumb screw and remove the foot holder. Press the needle plate release key and the needle plate will automatically snap off. A message will appear warning that the needle plate is not secured. Remove the needle plate by lifting it to the right. Replace the bobbin holder with a special bobbin holder depending on the bobbin thread you wish to use for embroidery. Remove the bobbin. Remove the bobbin holder by pulling its front part upward. Attach the bobbin holder in the hook race, making sure the knob fits next to the stopper of the hook race. Turn the hand wheel slowly and check that the bobbin holder is inserted properly. Otherwise, it may cause a machine malfunction and/or damage to the bobbin holder. Insert the left edge of the straight stitch needle plate into the opening and attach the needle plate. A confirmation message will appear. Press the close key. Attach the embroidery foot to the presser bar from behind. Tighten the thumb screw with your fingers. Tighten the thumb screw firmly with the screwdriver to secure the foot holder. When attaching the positioning marker to the presser bar, insert the plug into the attachment connector on the rear of the machine. Lower the foot. Insert a blue tip needle into the needle clamp, with the flat side of the needle to the rear. Push the needle up against the stopper and tighten the needle clamp screw securely with the screwdriver. Slide the hook cover release button to the right and remove the hook cover. Place a bobbin in the bobbin holder with the thread running off counterclockwise as shown on the hook cover plate. Hold the bobbin in place with your fingertips so it does not rotate. Guide the thread into the front notch of the bobbin holder. Pass the thread under the guide and pull it to the left. Pull the thread slightly until the thread passes through the side notch. Pass the thread into the guide path marked 1 and 2. Pull the thread to the right through the slit. Make sure that the thread comes out from the side notch of the bobbin holder. Insert the hook cover plate. Press the lockout key to unlock the machine.